Hello everyone. Make your child responsible. For this, you have to follow few steps. First one is assign a small task appropriate to your child's age. For this, as a parent, you don't help them to do the task, but you have to teach them to do the task. Second one is be role model to your child. For this, you have to show your responsibilities on your daily routines because usually children take as the parents as their role model. Third one is appreciate the each and every efforts your child has to put to finish their task. Don't do corrections here and there because no one is perfect. Third one is give leadership and make and allow them to make their own choices. So this will give a sense of accomplishment to them. So for follow all these steps and make your child more independent and responsible and achieve success in their life. So I want comment in this video, how do you want to raise your child more responsible? Follow my pages and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.